Are you a digital business such as an e-commerce, a SaaS, a digital marketing agency, or even an affiliate website? Anything that's digital in nature and you're struggling to grow right now, and you're seeing all of this news about artificial intelligence and how it can help you grow your business, but it just seems so overwhelming because you don't have the time because you're just running the day-to-day operations. And so you're having some good months and you're having some months that are not so great. And so you're just on this treadmill and you're starting to realize that due to artificial intelligence, competitors are going to get farther away from you. Or what's worse is people that are behind you right now might surpass you because they become more efficient with that artificial intelligence or implementing AI into their business. But when you start to drill into that, don't even know where to turn. And then you start having these thoughts that I don't have a big budget. I can't compete with the big brands. There's no way this can work for my business. And I hear this time and time again as I talk to different businesses, all different types of digital businesses, and it's just not the case. The other thing they'll tell me is I can't compete with these big brands because I'm not as established as them. Well, again, that couldn't be farther from the truth. See, I grew an e-commerce business from an idea and grew it to do over 7 figures in revenue. And now I'm doing M&A advising for businesses and helping them either scale the business so they can actually sell it for the most amount, or taking them across the line and actually having an exit experience, or even helping them acquire other digital assets so they can roll into their business and help them grow their business much quicker. But any one of those 3 areas is something that I'm intimately aware of because I'm in the trenches doing all this stuff. And again, people are simply ignoring artificial intelligence, and it's happening. It's evolving at exponential speed. And I'm just saddened by the amount of businesses that we work with. When they get to the spot where they've decided to sell, they either have not implemented anything yet or just haven't had the time or haven't made the time to try to implement it. And then when I've talked with them, they've said, it's just too expensive. I don't know where to start. And it's just too much. And so it's interesting because you're seeing in the marketplace now, everybody's starting to teach this because it's been out now it's been around for a number of years. But ChatGPT really changed the game in terms of making it more ubiquitous for the average consumer, the average person. And now you're just seeing across the marketplace an explosion of other tools. But you're also seeing an explosion of entities teaching this stuff. And yet they're teaching stuff that isn't going to help you make money. They're going to teach you either how to get a job in AI, using AI, or they may have some stuff which will help you a little bit, but it's not going to teach you how to grow your business. And again, you're running your day-to-day operations. You don't have time to go and learn something that's going to help you a little bit. You need to make some direct impacts now. But it's interesting to see all the different types of programs that are out there that are being taught. And the stuff that I'm coming across is all top level stuff, which isn't going to help you move the needle. I mean, a great example of this is I came across something today that, again, while going after a different target market, this is the University of Texas at Austin, and they're teaching people how to use artificial intelligence and how it can actually help them find a job. Now, obviously, being a business owner, you're not looking for a job, but you can, go through this curriculum either at home, online, or you can go on their campus. Again, you'd have to be most likely in the Austin area, or you can choose to fly in there, whatever you choose to do. And again, this is more geared towards people that are looking for a job, but it doesn't matter because the concept of how to leverage or learn about AI is out there. So think about this. They're just teaching people the basics of artificial intelligence. And yet, when you look at what they're charging for this, they're charging $3,800 for an educational program that's not going to even help you move the needle. So it's an example of a cost that's out there. Yes, some of the stuff is very expensive, but there's other alternatives out there that are way less expensive that'll help you move the needle. And that's actually what I can help businesses do is I'm in the trenches now with artificial intelligence, combining that with the skills I already have in terms of growing e-commerce business. So whether it's e-commerce or SaaS, it doesn't really matter because the tactics are still the same. You need to get more customers. You need to sell them more stuff. That's the end of the day, right? And those are the things you need to generate leads, convert those leads into sales, and then cultivate those relationships and demonstrate you can help solve a problem or a need that they have. Your business will actually solve that for them, whether it's a physical product like an e-commerce or a service business. such as a SaaS or anything of that nature. Those are just, that's how business is at its simplistic terms. But when you start drilling into the details, so many businesses that I'm working with don't have the slightest clue on where to start with some of this stuff. And I laugh when I see things like that, not knocking UT Austin for teaching that. It's wonderful, but it's a different target audience. But it just gives you the context of what costs are out there to learn stuff. And that program is just at a very high level to help someone get a job. For them to actually apply to a business, it's going to take a long time and you need help today. So if you are struggling to grow right now and you're just having these too many up and down months and you're thinking of selling your business one day or you're ready to sell, go ahead and drop a comment below or send me a DM. We can set up a time to chat because you would be surprised. Even a short phone call, I can give you some ideas on where you can implement artificial intelligence and help you grow your business. Because at the end of the day, you want growth. So not only you can pay your bills, but you can pay yourself and then put yourself in a position where you can have that ultimate exit experience. All right. Thanks.